Hi, everyone. I am Christopher Dormer, the proud superintendent of schools of the Norristown Area School District. Today is Wednesday, August 4th, 2021. Today's video message is to welcome everyone to the 2021-2022 school year and to share some important information as everyone prepares for the upcoming school year. Please take some time to review the district calendar and visit the district website as we begin to share information regarding the opening of school. We are thrilled to welcome our new professional staff members to the district on Tuesday, August 17th, with our 3-day induction program. All 189-day staff report on Monday, August 23rd. More details on our opening ceremony and schedule for the first 4 workdays will be shared with staff over the next few weeks. The first day of school for all students is Monday, August 30th. As previously announced, all Norristown Area School District schools will be fully open, providing our rich and robust educational program 5 days per week in person. When reviewing the calendar, please be sure you take note of many district holidays in September for which staff and families will need to plan. As I'm sure everyone is aware, the COVID-19 pandemic is far from over. After many weeks of low rates of community transmission and viral suppression, Montgomery County and our 3 municipalities, East Norriton, West Norriton, and the municipality of Norristown, have rising levels of transmission, now officially back in the moderate range. The Delta variant is causing increases in both cases and hospitalizations. While we continue to wait for those under the age of 12 to become eligible for a vaccine and continue to encourage those who are eligible to get vaccinated, we must remain vigilant in our prevention and our mitigation. I'm proud to reaffirm today that the Norristown Area School District will continue to have health and safety be our priority and our commitment to students, staff, families, and members of this great community. We will continue to operate in a deliberate, cautious, and intentional manner as we resume the full operation and full capacity in our schools this fall. We have an outstanding health and safety plan, but we will need everyone's help with implementing the strategies that will help keep everyone safe and healthy this year. Our plan incorporates the best practices and recommendations and guidance from the CDC, the Pennsylvania Department of Health, and the Montgomery Office of Public Health. So, what can you expect when staff and students return? With regards to our operations and maintenance, stringent disinfection practices will continue this year. Hand sanitizer, as well as hand washing locations with soap and water, will be readily available. Ventilation will continue to be maximized in all spaces and locations. We are excited that we will be installing touchless bathroom fixtures this year, and we'll be adding UV disinfection technology to our ventilation systems in all school buildings. We are working with county and state officials to have a rapid testing program available that will allow us to quickly identify and respond to symptomatic individuals. This program will be available to both staff and students this coming year. More specific information about this rapid testing program will be shared when details are finalized with health officials. Here's an overview of what to expect in our instructional spaces. Though classrooms will be back at full capacity, student desks will be separated to the greatest extent possible, with all students sitting forward-facing during all classroom instruction. Teachers and staff will continue to have spaces that promote social distancing. To ensure social distancing is maximized in all classrooms and instructional spaces, not all classroom furniture will be returned to pre-pandemic levels. We will continue to provide a Chromebook to each and every student to help facilitate our instructional program this year. Students will be required to take Chromebooks back and forth between home and school daily to ensure they have this important tool for in-school teaching and learning, and in case we are mandated to transition to short-term, virtual, at-home learning during any periods of quarantine or isolation. The sharing of classroom supplies will be limited. Breakfast and lunch programs will resume full operations with appropriate food handling and serving protocols being implemented. Transportation will also resume full operation this year. Per a current federal order, all students are required to wear masks on school buses, as they have been deemed public transportation. Please be sure all students arrive at bus stops 10 minutes early each day, and please make sure that masks are on and firmly secured prior to embarking on our school buses. Last week, the CDC updated its guidance to recommend that all staff, students, and visitors wear masks in school, regardless of vaccination status. Late last week, the Montgomery County Office of Public Health amended its guidance with the same recommendation. In accordance with this updated guidance, I'm announcing that all NASD students, staff, and visitors to our school buildings and offices will be required to wear face masks. This requirement will take effect on Monday, August 9th, 2021, to coincide with the start of our kindergarten readiness program and the start of our fall athletic programs. We see the wearing of masks as a key mitigation strategy to prevent the spread of COVID-19 within our schools, especially since the majority of our students are not eligible for the vaccine at this time, and due to the constraints we will face with maximizing social distancing in fully reopened schools. We ask that everyone please take the next few weeks to acquire comfortable masks that fully secure around the nose, mouth, and chin. It is the responsibility of each family to provide students with an appropriate face covering. Gaiters and bandanas may not be worn as a single face covering. We recommend that students have at least one extra mask with them or in school in case the one they are wearing needs to be changed at any point during the school day. Finally, we'd like to share how you can personally help us keep everyone safe and healthy this coming year. Continue to wash hands and continue to use hand sanitizer frequently. Ensure you're coming to school wearing a comfortable, form-fitting mask each and every day. Most importantly, if you are sick, stay home. These simple steps will not only help protect yourself, but will help you protect every other member of the NASD team and family. Please be on the look for more detailed and more school-specific information that will be shared by building principals in the near future. We appreciate your cooperation, patience, grace, and understanding as we implement our health and safety plan with strategies and recommendations that maximize health and safety. On behalf of the Board of School Directors and the entire Norristown Area School District Administration, I thank you for your attention to this video message, and I look forward to an exciting and outstanding year of learning and growing together. As always, please visit the district website for additional information and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you for continuing to be NASD proud.